Hey everyone, Tanya B here and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the BoxyCharm Premium for February 2020. And then I did get another subscription called Lashscoop. And I'm just going to show you guys what I got in that as well. So for those of you who are new, I am Tanya B. I do unboxings, product reviews, empties, and I do have a cooking segment as well. As a matter of fact, I will be filming my shepherd's pie for dinner tonight, so that should be up on my channel very soon. All right, let's talk about BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm has a couple different boxes. They have their base box, which is $25 a month. Their premium, which is $35 a month. And then every quarter, they have a $50 box called BoxyLux. So this is the $35 premium box and is my first premium box. At the end of January, a spoiler came out for the March box. I'm not going to give you the spoiler because I don't want to just spoil anything for anybody, but I know what is going to be in the March Boxy Premium, and I wanted it, so I had to go jump on the wait list, and I just happened to get off for February. So I'm totally fine with that, but I need the March box. So let's get into it. When you open it, this is what it looks like. And we do have a card with our retail values. And then also letting us know that Boxy Pop-Up is Tuesday, February 11th. I love Boxy Pop-Up. Also, and then it has some spoilers too for the March Lux box, which I'm pretty excited about that as well. I think Choice is coming up for that soon. All right, let's get in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And I think the retail value of this box is supposed to be at least, I don't know, $150 or $200. I'm not exactly positive. All right, so the first item I am seeing is by Korres, and this is their Bergamot Pear Body Butter. I have a couple other body butters from them. I really do like their stuff. I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty sure they have safety seals, so unfortunately I can't smell it. But it does retail for $32. So yes, it's a very high-end, expensive brand of body butter, but I love it, the one that I have in my room right now. Okay, what else do we got? Next up by Glow Recipe, and I'm very excited for this, is the Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. And it comes in the bottle like this. And I have just seen from watching other people's reviews on this to just make sure that you shake it up. I actually did not put any setting spray on today, so definitely ultra fine and definitely smells like watermelon. So I'm very excited. I did just get their watermelon sleep mask in last month's base box, and I really love that. So I am super excited for this product, and I know it's something that will definitely get used. And it retails for $28. I'm also very excited for the next item. It is the Tarte Double Duty Base Tape. Now, I received a deluxe sample of this in an Ipsy bag, and I used the whole thing. It smells like coconut. Let's see. It's like outside of the packaging. And we retail for $30. I don't feel like primer is something that I get too often. So I'm very excited to get this, and I know that it will go to good use. Okay, next up in a huge box is by Fascia, and this is their 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. I have never heard of this brand, but I did look it up, and it is from Italy. And the MSRP is $100. So insane. Who would really say? I mean, I'm like, unless this thing's going to make me look 10 years younger tomorrow, I would never spend $100. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's in a nice glass jar. It is sealed, but you can definitely see there are like gold flakes and everything in it. I mean, it's nice. I mean, for the fact that I spent $5 on it, that's great. I would definitely probably never spend $100 on pretty much anything. maybe an eyeshadow palette. But yeah, it looks like a gel consistency. So it's probably something I'm going to save for closer to like summertime, because I do have dry skin and I need a pretty heavy moisturizer in the winter. All right, we have 2 items left. The next is by Hourglass, and this is their Ambient Light Blush. I got mine in the shade Diffused Heat. Have heard of this brand, but this is the first time I'm ever getting anything from them. This is what the front looks like. It does have a mirror in it, and this is the shade I got. I feel that this is going to be a really good shade for me. I know that I still don't even know if BoxyCharm is actually following. Ooh, does it smell? No. Following our questionnaires, but I do have like light pink and peach for blushes, and this is definitely a blush I could see myself using. Usually I always throw my blushes in the giveaways because I use the Alamar Cosmetic Blush Trio, but I will actually try this blush, so I'm excited. And that retails for $40. $40 blush. The last item in the box was the choice item. I did join too late, so it was going to be between the Picante palette by Carity or a flat iron. I'm glad. If I had to choose, I would have chosen the palette, so I'm very glad. And this looks 24 shade palette. There is no mirror in it. These are the shades. I think this is an absolutely stunning palette, and I'm very excited to give it a try. These colors down here, Flora and Sass, those are like absolutely beautiful. I mean, and there's just some colors in here that I don't have in any other palette. So I just think this is a very original color story, a ton of looks, and yes, I think I'm really going to get a lot of use out of this palette. So that is everything for Boxy Luxe for February 2020. And I'm sorry, this retails for $29. I will put the full retail value of the box down on the screen. What did you guys think of this month's box? I'd say for $35, I'm happy. Again, I did sign up because I want next month's box. I already know 3 spoilers for next month's box too, like exactly what's coming. And they can already just take my money, BoxyCharm. All right, and then up, also I got Lashscoop. So this is, now I forgot whose subscription it is. I will post it down, but it's like an offset. Birchbox? I can't remember, but they came up with an eyelash subscription. I was on the wait list for that too. This was the first month that they did it. So it's $11.99 a month with free shipping, and you get 5 pairs of lashes. So I got my 5 pairs of lashes. I got them in Chloe, Billy. Oh, these are 3D Faux Mink vegan and cruelty-free lashes, by the way. Kimberly, Davina, and Tessa. Pretty sure that I would wear all of them. They're all gigantic. I would say if I had to pick a least favorite, it would be Davina, because they're kind of cute. But I might actually pass one of these on to like one of my friends that wear a little bit more real. Like, I'm definitely like into big, insane lashes. So that is Lashscoop. If you are interested in signing up for BoxyCharm or Lashscoop, I will leave you my link below. Please don't forget to click that bobblehead above. I'm working on a giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. Hit that notification bell. Leave this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.